Wow, I see there's a lot of different techniques.
Oh my God! On this side here,
It's
just
like
wolfing it
spaghetti.
down.
This one is kind of hiding this style.
Oh my
He has a special technique that is hiding from everyone.
I can see that nobody's taken the water as of yet.
Yes.
Okay.
Right, there you go. The first
Meron ba? Come on, habol pa guys, habol pa.
Habol pa, habol pa. Habol pa.
Kaya yan.
Oh, dalawa na sila. There's
Wait.
two of them are close. They're
Up,
close.
up,
Almost,
up.
almost. Oh!
Oh!
Auto finish.
Photo finish.
Photo
That was
finish sabay
close,
sila.
guys. That was really close.
Paano yun? Do we go back to the tape? Meron siya photo finish yan. Okay.
Who put the
Yes.
Yes.
one with the cap?
The one with the
And it
cap.
looks like our
Okay.
winner
Yes.
is Mr. Alvin.
Both of them have caps.
Right?
Stop
In the
breathing.
middle.
Yun, oh. Ang linis.
Linis? Professional?
Yun. Lick the plate up.
Hindi professional, gutom lang.
Gutom lang. Okay,
Super
gutom
Mario
lang.
ka talaga, Super Mario.
3, 2,
2,
1, go!
Connecting.
Okay. The girls, you notice the girls have a different technique than the guys.
Oh, they're also facing the other way.
Yes.
I see.
Yes.
I wonder if any of them are taking the advice, need to be first.
You know, they don't use
Okay,
it as
somebody, Lyle's
hindi
reading
siya
the
as a
water.
spear to skewer the food.
Okay guys, timing, last 1 minute.
1 minute left! 1 minute left! No pressure whatsoever. Only 1 minute left.
Mahilig ka mag-guilt trip eh.
Ayun. Kanina,
Come on,
meron tayong dalawang nakaubos. Tingnan natin kung makakaubos din yung mga girls.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Put down the balls! Put down the balls! Put down the balls! Up! Put down the balls! Put down the balls! Ayun! Wow, different techniques talaga. Dito, half and half. Dito, naubos na lahat ng beef.
Yeah, take the advice.
Dito, yung mga sibuyas na wala na. Okay, for the guys, could we invite the winner on stage
Alvin, paging
and all
Alvin.
the other contestants?
Paging Mr. Alvin Bouncer.
Ayun. So, how do you feel about winning this kind of competition?
I'm still hungry.
You're still hungry, so afterwards, she can go back to Yoshinoya for more people.
Wow.
Yeah, ready. Okay, so here is your award, 500 pesos gift certificates.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Ayan, photo op. With only 197 grams remaining in her bowl, let's welcome the winner of the female Udon bowl eating contest.
Oh, hello! It looks like it's an
Unexpected
expert
because
from
they were talking
Davao.
about they thought, wow,
Wow.
from Davao.
Na-enjoy niya talaga.
So, do you think being from Davao gave you an advantage? Yes daw. Okay, what kind of advantage?
Because I eat a lot there.
Kumakain sila ng marami sa Davao. Ayun,
talaga?
for the Yoshinoya. Here's your 500 peso gift certificate.
And photo op.